Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sure Lock and Key channel, your security tips and expert advice. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful security feature that's been keeping homes safe for decades. How does a night latch work? Ever wondered how these locks work and why they're so effective? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to decide if a night latch is the right choice for your home. A night latch is a type of surface-mounted lock that automatically locks when you shut the door. Unlike traditional deadbolts, which require you to manually turn the key, a night latch springs into action the moment the door closes. That means no more worrying about whether you locked up on your way out. Night latches are commonly used as secondary locks for added security, and you'll often find them on residential doors, apartment buildings, and even commercial properties. Let's break it down. A night latch has a few essential parts that work together to keep your door secure. Lock body, the main housing of the latch, mounted inside the door. Latch bolt. This metal piece extends into the door frame to lock the door automatically. Cylinder, where you insert the key to unlock the door from outside. Strike plate, the reinforced plate on the door frame where the latch bolt secures itself. Additional features. Some models include anti-lockout mechanisms and deadlocking pins for extra security. From the inside, simply turn the thumb turn or lever to release the latch and open the door. From the outside, use the key to retract the latch bolt and gain entry. Holdback feature. Some night latches have a snib button, allowing you to temporarily disable the latch so the door doesn't lock automatically. Deadlocking pin. Higher security models have a deadlocking pin that prevents burglars from forcing the latch open. This makes night latches an excellent option for homeowners who want convenience, security, and ease of use in one simple lock. Not all night latches are the same. Let's take a look at the different types and their unique features. Standard rim night latch. Basic model. Locks when the door shuts. Deadlocking night latch. Adds a deadbolt mechanism to prevent forced entry. Auto deadlocking night latch. Locks even more securely by engaging a secondary locking pin. Dual function night latch. Combines standard latching with a separate deadbolt for flexibility. Electronic night latch. Keyless entry using keypads, fobs, or smartphone apps. Fire-rated night latch. Designed to withstand high temperatures in case of fire. Why should you consider installing a night latch? Automatic locking. No need to remember to lock the door. Quick exit. Easily open the door from the inside without a key. Surface mounted. No major modifications needed. Affordable security upgrade. Budget-friendly way to boost security. Works well with other locks. Can be used alongside a deadbolt for double protection. This combination of security, ease of use, and affordability is why night latches remain a popular choice for homeowners and businesses. Thinking about installing a night latch for your home or upgrading your existing lock? Sure Lock and Key is here to help. Our professional locksmiths can recommend the best options and ensure proper installation for maximum security. For professional locksmith services, visit our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more locksmith tips and security insights.